Kemba. Here, boy. Hi. Hello there. Hi, Kemba. Mommy brought you some lunch. Kemba, get back. Get back, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. You didn't eat all your breakfast. Come here, boy. Look. There's some more food. That's lunch. You're not so hungry, huh? How's my little guy? How's my little guy? Hello there. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hey, looks like you did a little poopy in your poopy area. What a good boy. Okay, Kemba, no bite, no bite. No bite, honey. Hi. How you doing? Hey. Kemba, you were lying in your little dog house. Were you lying in your dog house? Come on. Kitty. Were you in your little dog house?